My name is Jasmine and welcome to my PBteen Makeover Takeover.
I just got picked up from school and I'm about to see my room. Super excited.
What? Oh my gosh, this is my room? This doesn't even seem like the same room right now. I don't even know what to think. I would have never thought to put my room together like this. I'm definitely doing my homework here from now on. This is so cool. I have a record player in my room. I don't even know what to say. Oh my gosh, this is cool. I love it. There's nothing else to say, I just love it. I could not believe that this was my room. I still don't believe this is my room. This does not seem like the same place. My old room, it wasn't super relaxing. I was in my tomboy stage then, so chose dark blue. Sometimes it seemed like it was really small in there. This is light and airy. I definitely like the pattern on the wall. It does have a nice vibe to it. It has a nice theme to my room now. Definitely like the flower theme. Like, I never thought to have plants in my room, but the more I look around, I like plants. I thought it was so cool to have lights on my bed. Like, I can just gaze up and it's my thinking space. Well, I was African American Student of Honor for 2 years. My two strong suits are math and science, and I'm kind of there to show other girls it's okay for you to be good at math and science if you're a girl. That's part of the reason why I want to be an engineer. If I were to grade this room, it would have a 4.1 GPA. I didn't think that anybody could depict like who I am in my room, because I surely couldn't. This is a nice oasis. Just calm down at the end of the day. No matter what, everything's fine. It just captures everything that is me. Thank you, PBteen!